Hey guys, this is Justin from @JustinRay on Instagram. I decided to start a YouTube channel. I've received a lot of great feedback from the projects that I've been doing on Instagram, as well as a lot of great feedback from the YouTube community, so I decided to start some videos. I do a lot of projects with things from the Dollar Tree as well as things I like to find from thrift stores and redo. Today I'm going to show you a project that we did for Instagram, and it's #CraftBinDump. It's where you take all of the materials that you have laying around your house and you create something. So I did this little project with the hanging baskets. It only cost about $3. It's super simple. Doesn't take that much time either. So I filmed the video to show you that today. I hope you like it. If you do, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button, subscribe, and also you can follow me on Instagram @JustinRay. Ray is spelled with a W-R-A-Y. I hope you enjoy. To start, we want to take our Dollar Tree rope. You get about 13 feet for $1 and cut that open. To start our base, we're going to take a little hot glue and place it on the end of the rope. You're going to wrap this in on itself, creating almost like a spiral, like a little circle. This is going to be our base. Keep gluing until you get a decent size. So for my project, I wanted it to be about as wide as this hairspray bottle. So I'm going to use that as my guide. Now take your base and you want to start gluing the rope up around the sides of the bottle. This is going to create the sides of your basket. Keep gluing until you get to the height that you like. I did about halfway up the bottle because I wanted to keep my baskets kind of small. A tip that I learned is make sure you twist the bottle as you're hot gluing so that it doesn't get stuck to the bottle itself. Take the end of the rope and hot glue it onto the inside of the basket to finish it off. And that's the base of our basket. Now we're going to create the handles. The handles I created by taking the extra rope and cutting it in half. To attach the handles, just make a line of hot glue down the one side and you're going to glue the rope right onto that. And you're going to do the same exact thing for the other side. Now just glue down the ends and cut off the excess, and that's your basket. Now you want to do the same for the other side. To attach the basket to the branch, I used a little bit of cotton twine from the Dollar Tree. I just doubled it over and then looped it over the branch and pulled it through. I loosely tied the baskets onto the string because I wanted to see what it was like hanging on the wall before I cut them off. And that's our basket. So for the flowers, I just added some that I had from the Dollar Tree from a while ago laying around. I just cut them up and stuck them in. And that's it, our finished product. I hung the branch on the wall with 2 small nails. I love the way this came out. It's perfect for spring. You can put whatever you'd like in it. It's so simple. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and thank you for watching.